Okay, one of the things in field service that's a little bit different than QuickBooks is you can't necessarily customize the columns that you see up top here. You can, all the columns, notice how it has up and down, so you can always have it sort by, and it'll automatically sort by that column, okay? It does have a filter up top here, but there was one kind of issue, a little issue inside. If you have only one dispatch center, it filters by dispatch center first and then service team. So if you have one dispatch center, even if I choose, notice the invoices over here, so we know when we choose a filter, it doesn't change. So I have 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Okay, so if I change it to default service team, okay, 74, 75, 76, 77, they're all still here, okay? If I do it by Evansville, 74, 75, it's all still there because I still have the same dispatch center. So what I've had clients do in the past, if they're not using this skill field, I actually have them set up the work order and choose the skill as their location or their route or their service team that they use. So instead of choosing Class A, they would choose, Austin, Houston, San Antonio. And when you do that, then you can filter this down or sort at least by skill and see all of your skills lumped together. So you'd be able to see all your Class A's, which would be Austin, all your Houstons, all of those lumped together. Okay, so that's just a quick way to, I'm sorry, let me show you this too. Once you click this filter down here, you can filter by skill. So I could say if I did have Class A as Austin, I'd be able to see only my Austin skills on this screen here, which is nice to do because if you have one dispatch center, but you have several different areas and, the dispatchers inside the one dispatch center are responsible for their different areas, they would be able to filter this down to just see the work orders that pertain to their area. So that's a little workaround as far as using the filter and using a field that's available on this screen to filter down the work orders that you see.